Hello, this is Mimi from Mimi Mom and Me. Today we're going to show you how to make a custom postcard on Zazzle. So if you have a picture you really like and you want to say hi to some friends, you can make a custom postcard, or you can make them to sell them. And if you sell any, you'll get commission from them. So go to Zazzle.com. If you don't have an account, sign in and make a seller account or your own personal account. So go up here and click on the menu. And then click on Create Your Own. Then click on Postcards. That will bring up a page of blank things that you can design. So click on the blank postcard. Over here you can click on matte or gloss, whatever finish you like. People can write easier on matte, so I always choose that. So now go to Edit Design. In here you can upload your picture to the postcard. So all the way to the left, go to My Files. Click on that and then click on Upload Images. Then once you click on Upload Images, it will take you to your folders in your computer, and you can pick what image you want on the front of the postcard. I'm going to go with the Wisconsin winter theme here. It's been storming here. We've had a lot of snowstorms the last couple of weeks, so I got some pretty pictures. Okay, so see how this doesn't fill up the whole postcard? On the right-hand side, click on Fill. And that'll make the picture cover the whole postcard. So now I'll go up to Text and click on it. Then a box will come up that you can add text to. You do not have to add text if you don't want to your postcard. But if you want to, this is how. So I'm just going to write Wisconsin. And over on the right's all the tools to change your font and change the colors and change the size of your font. Scale, you can do it bigger and smaller. So then just with your mouse, you can push the text around to where you like it. If you click on that little thumbnail on the right, then it will zoom in so you can see what your postcard will look like. So I'm going to put Wisconsin down here, and I think I'm going to change it to say hello from Wisconsin. Take your time, play around with the text, get it how you like it. So that's what the front looks like now. Okay, now we're gonna go all the way to the bottom of this column right here, and then click off of that little thing, and then click on Layers, and then go to the back. So this is the back of the postcard. I'm gonna delete the Zazzle logo, and then I'm just gonna add some to and from text. You can change the background to a color. You can upload pictures on this side too. You can do whatever you want. I'm just going to leave it kind of simple. Now if this postcard's for yourself, you can leave it as is now. So this is the postcard. So if you're doing this just for yourself to send to somebody, you can click on Done and then add it to your cart and check out. But I'm posting this to sell, so I'm going to do a little bit more on here. You can do this if you want to. You don't have to. So I'm going to click on the photo again. Then I'm going to scroll down on the right hand side and I'm going to go to make this a template object. And then I'm going to go to product page label and put change image. And this allows a customer to change the photo out if they want to. They don't have to, but if they want to, they can. If they have a picture they like better or whatever. I'm also going to do the same thing with the text. I'm going to click on the text and then I'm going to make it a template object. Put edit text there so the person knows that they have the option of editing it. And then I'm going to click done and then sell it. So once you click sell it, it's going to go to a page where you can enter the title and description and all that. Remember to use lots of keywords so people searching for postcards from Wisconsin can find, or whatever you put on there, so somebody can find your postcard if you're trying to sell it. Enter the category and then put a description. Again, using lots of keywords. Okay, that's what it's going to look like. And then I'm not going to add an event or occasion recipient, but I am going to change what store it's in. I'm going to put it in my Where's the Karma store because I have a greeting card and postcard section on there. Then you can add up to 10 tags. So try to think of what people will search on Zazzle to find your product. It's rated G. I got my royalty set to 10%. I have the right to sell this. It's my picture and post it. And once you hit post it, then it's within about 24 hours, it'll become available on the Zazzle Marketplace. So remember, once you post it, to also go down and share it. That's a good way of getting your products out so that people see them. So go to your Twitter and Facebook and Pinterest and share it. Good luck with your shop. I hope that it works out, or if you're just making a card for family or friends. And I hope this video helped you learn how to do it. If you want to see more tutorials, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Or you can stop by our blog, MimiMomAndMe, at blogspot.com or timefortheholidays.net. Thanks, guys. Have a good day and good luck with your projects.